Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to create this effect in Blender. So without any further ado, let's start. So now press Shift A and add a cube. Go to edit mode and press S, and then hold Shift Z to isolate it only on the X and the Y axis and scale it down like so. Now press S and scale it down again. Control R to add a loop cut here, and then S to scale it up. Select everything with A and then S to scale it down once more. Okay, now tap to object mode. Now press R, X, then 90 to rotate on the X axis. Okay, now I'm going to animate this without any keyframes. So I'll use drivers. Now go to the M panel and then click on the Y rotation and type this hashtag frame forward slash 5 and then press enter. Now press play to see the animation. Okay, now let's go back. We need to animate it to move forward. Now we need to make this object move forward. So I'll just go to the Y location and type the same thing, hashtag forward slash 5. No, this time we use 10. Okay, now let's press play again. So you can see our object is moving forward. Alright, so press Shift A and add a plane, S to scale it up like so. Control A and then we apply the scale. Tap to edit mode, right click and subdivide and set the number of cut to 50. Okay, now tap to object mode again. We go to the physics tab and add a dynamic paint. Make sure the type is set to canvas and then click on add canvas and change the surface type from paint to displays. Now select this object, add dynamic paint, and this time change from canvas to brush and click on add brush. Okay, now we got the effect. Let's press play to see it. Okay, it's good, but I want to create the ripple effect, so I'll select the plane and then click on add to another surface slot, and this time I will change it from paint to waves. So let's see the animation. I'll press play. Good. Now I think this thing is moving too fast, so I'll just decrease the speed. So right click on this and then use 20 here. 20. So here's the thing. The higher the number, the slower the object will move. And then the lower the number, the faster the object will move. So I'll use 20. And then hit enter. Let's replay the animation. As you can see, the object is moving much slower now. So I'll just go back. Click on this, right click and then show smooth. Alright. Now let's create material from both of these objects. But before that, let's add a bevel modifier to this object. So I'll go to modifiers tab and then click on modifier and add a bevel modifier. I'll decrease the amount and then increase the segment to 3. Go to shading and make sure you check harden normals. Alright, and then right click and then shade auto smooth. Okay, now let's switch to the shading workspace and then turn on the scene light, turn off the scene light and word, Yeah. Okay. Now I will select the plane, click on new, press shift A and add color ramp. Move it here. Shift here again and add a bump node. Connect the color ramp to the height of the bump node and then the bump node to the normals of the principled BSDF. Now press shift A and bring in a noise texture. Connect the factor to the factor of the color ramp and then move this one here. Okay, now increase the distance to see the effect on the plane. Alright, now let's increase the scale to 14 and then the details to 3. Alright, now change the color to brown. Okay, and then decrease the roughness to 0. Actually, let's use color ramp for this. So I'll select this color ramp, duplicate it, place it here, and then connect it to the roughness. Right, this is much better. Now press play to see the animation. Nice. Now I'll select this, click on new, and then increase the metallic to 1, and then change the color to maybe dark blue something. Yeah, this and then decrease the roughness a bit. Alright, now select the plane G and then Y and move it on the Y axis. Okay. Now press play to see the animation. Nice. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe, like or share. See you in the next one. Peace out.